Hello again, my name is Alberto Ramirez here at Global Imports BMW. I'm one of the product genius here, and today we're going to talk about how to replace the battery in the BMW key fobs. While the two key fobs look different, their process for removing the battery is very similar. To start off with, there is a button that's in the back of the key fob that can be pressed to remove the actual metal piece for the key. Inside the key fob there is a tab with a flathead screwdriver that can be removed to replace the black plating. Inside is the exposed battery. This particular key fob takes a CR2450 and the new battery can be replaced. For the other key fob, the process is still very similar. Instead, the button is on the side instead of the back to remove the actual key. The tab is still in the center of the key fob, and then it can actually be removed with the pressure. Inside, the battery can be found, and this one is a CR2032. Still removed with a flathead screwdriver. And the new battery can be replaced. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for some more BMW Genius updates.